Hello friends, welcome to Tricks. Today we are going to learn a trick to remember hills of South India. Let us first have a look what type of questions can be asked which we can solve through this trick. Here we have one question framed from the NCERT. What is the correct order of mountain peaks from south to north? The options are Anaimuri, Dodabetta, Mahendragiri, Malaigiri. Let us have a look at the map locating these hills and ranges. At the southernmost tip we have Cardamom Hills, then Anaimala Hills. Anaimala Hills we have the hill Anaimudi. Then Nilgiri Hills. On Nilgiri Hills we have Dodabetta. Here it is Dodabetta. Dodabetta is the highest mountain peak of the Nilgiri Hills. Then here, just by the side of Nilgiri Hills, we have Chevro Hills, Javadi Hills, Palakonda Range, Nalamala Hills. These three are residual mountains. Then in the further north, we have Harishchandra Range, Balaghat Range, Satmala Range and Ajanta Range. In this side, we have Mahendragiri Range. It is also a residual mountain. And somewhere here we have Malaigiri. And a trick to remember these mountain ranges and hills is combination of acronyms formed into a sentence. Can she go to Japan? Haribala sat to ask Maharaj of Gwalior, Malya. Now imagine Malya is the king of Gwalior since Malya is very rich. So imagine he is a king. Haribala is his wife. She is asking him whether she can go to Japan since Malya has to face so much of criticism because of the debt. So his wife is asking, she wants to go to Japan. From can, C for cardamom. From A, Anamalai. From N, Nilgiri. On Nilgiri we have Dodabetta and on Anamalai we have Anaimuri Hills. From she, Chevroy. In the word Japan, J A for Javadi, P A for Palakonda, N for Nalamala. Then Hari stands for Harishchandra Range, Bala for Balaghat Range, Sat for Satmala Range. In the word Maharaj, MAH for Mahendragiri, AJ for Ajanta Range. From Gwalior, Gavilgarh Hills, Gavilgarh, and from Malya, Malaigiri. In this way, you can remember all the mountain ranges and hills of South India arranged in the order of south to north. Can you solve this question using that trick? Correct order of mountain peaks from south to north. From the trick can, we know that Cardamom is the southernmost tip. After that comes the Anaimalai, on which we have Anaimudai range, Anaimudai hills here. So Anaimudai is the southernmost hill. So these two options get cancelled. Then Anaimudai, in the option we have Dodabetta in both the questions. We learned that after Anaimudai it is Nilgiri and Dodabetta is on Nilgiri Hills. So according to that also, these two options are wrong. Now the tussle is between Mahendragiri and Malaigiri. So Maharaj Malya means Mahendragiri comes before Malaigiri. It means option A is correct. Using this trick, you can mark this question accurately in the exam. Hope you like this trick. I will be making similar videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.